Giraffe, giraffe, neck so long,
reaching leaves, singing song. Zebra, zebra, stripes so neat, running fast on grassland feet.
Rhinoceros, rhino, heavy and strong, walking slowly all day long.
Hippopotamus, hippo loves the pond, splashing water all around.
Cheetah, cheetah, quick and sly, zooming past the trees nearby.
Leopard, leopard, stealthy and sly, spots glimmering under sky.
Hyena, hyena, laughing clear, running wild, never fear.
Crocodile, crocodile, lurking near, eyes on the water, sharp and clear.
Ostrich, ostrich, running fast, big strong legs, built to last.
Flamingo, flamingo, feathers pink, standing tall on the water's brink.
Antelope, antelope, jumping free, across the plain so happily.
Buffalo, buffalo, strong and wide, walking slowly through the countryside.
Meerkat, meerkat, look out high, scanning the ground and the sky.
That's our safari, wild and free. Hello kids, welcome to our farm. Let's meet the animals with charm. Cow gives us milk, healthy and sweet, grazing calmly with its big strong feet. Buffalo is strong, it lives on the farm, standing steady with its gentle charm. Goat is playful, jumping all around, hopping happily on the soft green ground. Sheep has wool, soft, fluffy and white, it stays on the farm both day and night. Horse runs fast, strong and tall, galloping swiftly across the stall. Donkey carries load steady and slow, helping the farmer wherever they go. Hen lays eggs, fresh every day, clucking softly as it pecks away. 8 rooster shouts, cock-a-doodle-doo, waking the farm with morning view. Duck swims gently in the pond, splashing water as it wanders beyond. Pig rolls in mud, enjoying its play, snorting happily throughout the day. Turkey spreads feathers, colorful and wide, strutting around with confident pride. 12 goose swims gracefully, gliding along, honking softly with a happy song. Rabbit hops here, hopping there, with long ears bouncing everywhere. 14 pigeon flies high, up in the sky, flapping its wings as it passes by. Camel walks slowly, carrying its load, marching calmly down the dusty road. All these animals help us every day. On the farm they work and play. Farm friends are the best, as you can see. Let's say thank you to them.